Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it.
Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see by the title, you guys already know what I'm going to showcase for you guys. But this is the big box that it comes in, and it says P.Louise, if the crown fits. Now I have not used it, but I just pre-opened it for you guys, kind of. Is the palette, and I love that the palette comes in a bubble wrap. And then this is the star of the show. So it's also in a box. If the crown fits palette. Now you can see how stunning the P.Louise palettes are in general. She never fails giving us great packaging. There are a few crowns in there and it does move around, but they're stuck at the moment because I guess everything is to one side. I did go and purchase the P.Louise paint in Golden Treasure. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in today's look, but you guys basically get the gist of how these paints work. But this is just the yellow one because I don't have a yellow paint in my collection. Do a few swatches. I'm not going to go row by row. So right here we have the black. We have a chocolate brown. We have a shimmer shade. And we have a yellowy. So we're gonna go and swatch. Ooh, I just digged out the palette. So we're gonna go in with these 4 shades, and I'm just gonna put it right here. So that's 1, 2. Look at how pigmented these are. 3, 4. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go in with another 4 shades. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this shade right here, this yellow shade right here, and this cream shade right here. So those are the 4 colors that I'm taking. So 1, 2, 3. Wow, pigmented. So basically you can see how pigmented these shadows are so far. So I'm gonna take this now, and I'm gonna go in with the warm peachy side. So we're going in 1, 2, 3. Is a beautiful color, and it's chocolatey. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shadow, pigmented. Then I'm gonna take 1, 2, so I'm gonna take these 4 shades right here, and you can see how pigmented these are. Now she does have another neutral palette, but I believe those shadows are very much on the cooler tone, while this palette is more on the warmer spectrum. I'm not sure the look that I'm gonna go for, but should I do a cut crease? I may do a, yeah, I'm gonna do a cut crease for you guys. So the first shade I'm gonna take, I really want to test out this black shade, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm going to take this dark black shade right here, and it's called Make Believe. To prep my eyes, I did go in with my P.Louise base in Rumor number 7, and I did not use any powder to set it because I believe P.Louise eyeshadows do the setting for you. Taking the first shade, once again it's Make Believe, the black shade, and so far it's looking super pigmented. Taking a very small brush, I believe this is from Tarte. And I'm just gonna stamp this on. Look how pigmented this shadow is. The next color I'm gonna take is called Storyteller, and it's this nice chocolatey brown shade. It has like a almost like a red undertone to it. And I'm just gonna be very close with my application to the black. I know I look cray-cray right now. It looks ugly before it gets good. So the shade that I'm gonna take is Poison Apple. This shade right here. I'm just taking that on the outskirts. So far, super pigmented. So far, I know I kind of look like I have a black eye, but we are getting there. Okay, so now I don't know if you guys remember me purchasing this on my Black Friday sale, and I will be going in with the cut carver from P.Louise. And as I mentioned in the video, if you do not have this, you can definitely go in with your petroleum jelly. Take my cotton bud and I'm just gonna do this, make sure it's evenly coated, and I'm just gonna carve above my natural crease. After all, I feel like I'm gonna go in with the P.Louise paint, and this one is in Golden Treasure, and it's just a nice yellow shade. Going back in with the black shade. Okay, so now that my eyes look like this, I think I'm gonna take a few shimmer shades and put on top of my eyes, just to play with the shimmers. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna take this part of the palette, and I think I'm going to go in with, I think I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, and that shade right there is called Magic Mirror. This shadow is very soft and so far easy to apply. Next shade I'm gonna have is Happy Ending. These shadows are very reflective, by the way. Super cute, look at that. These shadows are a bit crumbly, but it's super soft. But the good thing is it's easy to apply. For the next shimmer, the glass slipper, I just put in the inner corner. I'm just using this fine brush to just define this shape. So guys, this is the finishing results of today's look. Yeah, I was feeling to go for a more vampy, smoky, but colorful and playful eye look today, because I feel like I haven't been tapping into my creative side to eyeshadow, and I felt like why not display it here in this tutorial. The look may definitely not be for the faint of heart, but It's just a way to show you multiple shadows being performed, especially me tapping into my creative.